I wasn't planning to buy anything that day. Then I saw this. A Rolls-Royce left to rot.
This belonged to my grandma.
She bought it in 2021.
Luxury just sitting here. It hadn't moved in years. The inside was worse. This was once someone's dream, and it was abandoned.
She told me it would never run again.
She was done with it.
But I wasn't. I asked one question. We should bring it back.
Years of dirt came off in minutes.
Even under all that filth, the quality was still there. The inside hadn't been touched in years. This car was forgotten. But not beyond saving.
Everything had to come off.
Piece by piece.
No shortcut.
The fluids were completely dead. Luxury, stripped down. To rebuild properly, you start from nothing. This was the real challenge. Time had done serious damage. And now, the rebuild.
Every part was inspected.
No detail ignored. No detail ignored.
Age had dried everything.
Comfort starts underneath.
Safety comes first.
The heart goes back in. Modern luxury needs perfect electronics.
This car was high-tech. And
Luxury deserves respect.
It slowly started to feel alive.
Years of neglect erased.
After this, no more going back.
The transformation begins.
White completely changed the car.
This is Rolls-Royce elegance.
Luxury is in the finish. The identity returns.
Every detail matters. Precision alignment.
It finally stands again.
The inside feels brand new.
That sound. Perfection.
Smooth, silent, powerful.
This is what patience creates.
From forgotten to flawless.
Luxury reborn. Craftsmanship everywhere.
it drives life new.
This color suits it perfectly. A second life.
A true restoration. Some cars are never meant to be forgotten.